Azure Network Watcher. What is Azure Network Watcher? Azure Network Watcher is think like it's a CCTV camera and toolbox for your Azure network. This is something which I am telling you so that you can understand what exactly I am trying to say and what I am trying to explain. It is used to help you monitor, diagnose, and troubleshoot what happening in your Azure network connection, traffic, and resources. For example, VM, subnet, and load balancer. Lots of resource you have. So you can monitor it and diagnose it and troubleshoot. Right. Now come to the definition. Azure Network Watcher is the monitoring and diagnostic tool for the Azure networking. It allows you to monitor, diagnose, and gain insight into your network infrastructure. Yes, it is allow you to monitor, diagnose, and gain inside your network. That is true. It helps to identify connectivity issue, monitor traffic, and visualize network topology. Yes, true. This is also used for that one. And key feature of the Azure Network Watcher is that the connection monitor. Check connectivity between the VMs. Right. In the VMs, first we check the connectivity. Is it the proper connectivity is are not available? Endpoint and non-premises networks. If IP flow verify, then verify if the traffic is allowed or denied by the network security group. Packet capture. Packet capture is something by which we can capture the network traffic for the troubleshooting, right? And network topology that is used to visualize VNet, subnet, NSG, and other network resources. So these are the key feature of the network watcher. You have a VM in subnet that cannot reach to the database in subnet B. So using the network watcher IP flow verify, you can check NSG rules and determine why the traffic is blocked. So these are the functionality of the network watcher. Metrics. Metrics are the numerical measurement that represent the performance or health of the Azure resource over the time. Metrics are the lightweight and real time compared to the logs. Common metrics include CPU usage, networks, in and out disk, IOPS, and latency. You can monitor a VM using the metrics. CPU percentage, is it going to the 75% or more than that? We can use it. Metrics network in the 120 Mbps per second. What exactly it is? So metrics by which we can calculate and see. You can create alert based on the metrics. For example, 80% more than 80% and network exceeds the 200 Mbps. So everything what is the metrics do? Metrics is only the numerical measurement that represent the performance. Right. Now come to how network watcher and how metrics work. Network watcher collect the detailed network diagnose, like connectivity, packet flow, and topology, where metrics provide the real-time numerical performance data of the network and the compute resource. Together, they allow you to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize the Azure networking from health. Now, purpose and examples. Network watcher monitor and troubleshoot the network, whereas the metrics that is real-time performance data monitor and optimize resource. Examples, network watcher, check the connectivity between the VMs, capture the package and visualize the topology where the metrics that is CPU percentage, network traffic, disk IOPS, latency, identify bottleneck or misconfiguration cases.